How to blend animations in a sequencer. When making animations in Unreal Engine 5, we often use blended animation. Today, I will introduce some tips to you. Our characters already have an animation, and we need to add another animation. And sometimes we can blend animations by just dragging to the animation chest together. But this method doesn't work well in this example. The animation transition is not natural. Let's look at this animation. 84 frames and 85 frames. Their postures are very different, so we need to add more frames between them. We right-click and select Bake to control it, and select FK control it. We select all keyframes after 85 frames and just them to the right. You can adjust this distance according to your needs. We play the animation, and it looks more natural now than before. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.